Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So, how do you fix your TikTok shop button not showing? There's sort of like glitches on this one, but it's actually one of the most common outputs out there that a lot of users have been facing is that their account is not provisioned for this one. So what we're going to need to do in order for this to actually work, as you can see, the shop option is not apparent. We're going to go to settings, and then once you're in settings here, privacy. I'm experiencing some sort of a little bit of a glitch here. I'm sorry, it's not the privacy, it's the notifications. And once you're inside the notifications here, click on these ones right here, because these are the exact reasons on why it is not showing. So click on all this, make it all turn green, so to say, and yeah, that's just basically it. So let's just try and go back if the actual application is apparent now on our end. As you can see, the shop option is now apparent here on the bottom here, so that's how you fix this thing, and that's how quick and simple and easy it is. Now you could just basically start your shopping. So it's actually an account not well provisioned and not well set it up. That's just basically it. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.